It's November 1st, 2012. It's the fourth day after Hurricane Sandy, the Frankenstorm, superstorm. My office is still closed. It's working from home whenever I get cell service, which has been very sporadic. We basically need to stand at the window in the bathroom in order to get any sort of cell service to make calls or send text messages. Marcus has been walking very well lately, and he's getting pretty attached to me. He likes it when I hug him. Mwah. He likes it when I kiss him. Mwah. Oh, no. Baba. 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 Look at the drool. What's that toy over there? No. So I'm going to be leaving for Dallas tomorrow. It's the Major League Gaming's fall competition in Dallas. And, well, just bad timing. Right after a national disaster, I need to go on a little trip. But luckily, we have power now. We have running water. We got food. Food is so expensive now. The gas lines, for example, they're like quarter-mile long, and the gas prices increased by 50%. And for produce, like vegetables and stuff, the price doubled. I just went to the grocery store today. There's no milk. There's basically no meat, no perishables. They got things like pasta and all that stuff. My wife still needs to work. In the town where she works, her building has power, but most of the other buildings don't have power. Marcus is actually supposed to be nappy right now. It's 3 o'clock. But he's just refusing to go down, sleep. Naps are important. It's for him. And for me to get a little break. Okay. Okay, Marcus. I'll give you more attention.